Guess what time it is? It's video time! You guys excited?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, you like pizza?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay,
Sure.
here you go. Here's some pizza for you guys. Make sure you share it. We're gonna do a review right now on some squishy pizza. Wow, let's see.
Squishy pizza.
Squishy pizza. You excited?
Yeah. On that pizza, Daddy.
Ethan has it right now. He's gonna open it. Wow. Let me see. Let me help you.
Sticky.
Let me help you. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Too hard.
Wow, let me see. What is that? Wow, that's cool.
Squishy.
Show Aiden.
Yummy. Squishy.
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 You like that?
Squishy pizza.
Okay, so in case anyone's wondering where this came from, this was from Denny's.
Denny?
We won this in a little, those little claw machines.
Want
And
that
we have-
pizza? Want that pizza,
You want that
Daddy?
pizza? Here's the pizza right here. Look at it, it's so squishy, and then it goes back.
It's bad too.
Nice.
So squishy.
So squishy.
It's so squishy. Let me try it too.
So what do you think? Is it good? That's so nice.
I have pepperoni.
You got pepperoni?
Yeah, I love pepperoni.
You love pepperoni?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this?
What is that? Mushrooms. You like mushrooms?
What's this?
Onions.
Onions and what's this?
Sausage.
Grass.
Oh no, that's bell peppers.
Grass.
Wow, that one, I think that's cheese. Yeah. That's so good, huh?
Yeah.
You like that squishy pizza?
Yeah. I want another one.
Okay, give this one to Aiden here.
And
Alright, tell everybody this is our review on squishy pizza. What do you think?
Squishy pizza.
If you like this, if you think this is a good review, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more.
There's cheese.
Alright.